Temporal blockchain technology transforms the way the blockchain works by reconstructing how peer-to-peer networks scale. It operates with less power, energy and storage, and processes transactions on very low-resource devices at extremely high speeds, with an unparalleled degree of security. The Temtum network can be scaled rapidly and at a minimal cost. Temtum eliminates the need for centralized pools of specialized hardware, delivering a blockchain network that's environmentally conscious and can be run on any device connected to the web, even a smartphone. This means that our vision of a truly decentralized, fully scalable network that can be placed in the hands of the many rather than the few is fully achievable. Yet with previous blockchain technology, which theoretically supported a similar vision, that simply wasn't the case. Our technology innovations have supported the necessary evolution of blockchain, which in turn means that the Temtum cryptocurrency represents a compelling mass market proposition at a global level. Temtum is a new, lightweight, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency where anyone can support the temporal blockchain network, creating a new world of financial freedom away from centralized institutions. The speed of the temporal network is unrivaled by any existing blockchain technology, with 120 kTps achieved in our lab environment and theoretically unlimited, directly influenced by the scale of the network. The ultra-lightweight architecture, efficiency and consensus of transactions on Temporal leads to incredible verification speed. Temporal allows for short-term data storage on nodes, while keeping the integrity of the blockchain and its full history. With our consensus algorithm, transactions are no longer required to be sent to every node, instead sent directly to the leader node. Therefore, no wasted resources spent in the needless duplication of messages. This reduction in storage and processing power makes participation in the network from low-resource devices possible, whilst using less energy than existing blockchain technology. Blockchain is still an emerging technology. It has already started to transform a wide range of industries around the world by providing a digitized, immutable and secure network for transacting, sharing and distributing data without a central authority. This provides a number of significant theoretical benefits when compared with existing technologies and methods, such as improved transparency, traceability, and security, as well as increased efficiency and speed of transactions. Most importantly, financial transactions are no longer reliant on trust, they are cryptographically proven. And yet blockchain networks that have already been deployed have suffered from a number of downsides and concerns that have meant that they have failed to deliver on their promise and are yet to see significant adoption. Chief among these downsides are: vision. Temtum is an efficient, quantum-secure, ultra-fast, non-resource intensive and environmentally friendly payment coin, using the acronym TEM, and an alternative to traditional fiat money, government-printed currency. It can be used on a standalone basis wallet-to-wallet, and can also be integrated into payment systems worldwide, serving as a payment platform for both consumers and businesses. The integration of Temtum into online gaming and e-commerce sites has been demonstrated through the development of demo platforms and plugins, which can enable fast implementation with partners as part of our intended roadmap. Scalability. Current blockchain technologies are not truly scalable. They are not able to be fully decentralized and in many cases require high entry points to participate in them, for example massive computational power. Speed. Many blockchain technologies, including Bitcoin, are enormously slow. Bitcoin can take 10 to 15 minutes per transaction, which makes it thoroughly unsuitable as a mainstream form of payment. The majority of alternative high transaction technologies are not blockchains. Resource intensity. Many leading cryptocurrencies use highly wasteful and restrictive consensus mechanisms such as proof of work, which require enormous energy use and have a significant environmental impact. Security. Blockchain-based cryptocurrencies' pseudo-random generation of keys is open to exploitation by sophisticated hackers, with quantum computing increasing the likelihood of predicting software-generated values. The fact that current blockchain networks have limitations at their core, means that they cannot satisfy the key transaction demands for many of the industries and applications which should have the highest need for blockchain networks, such as large global payment networks and credit card companies. This is how Temtum addresses each of these flaws in current blockchain networks. How Temtum solves today's blockchain problems. Scalability. The temporal blockchain eliminates the need to store the entire chain history on all nodes by locally archiving data, while preventing competition in node selection. This significantly reduces resource requirements and allows anyone with a basic form of technology, such as a smartphone user, to fully participate in the network, delivering true decentralization and infinite scalability. Speed. The speed of the Temtum network is limited only by the hardware and bandwidth of network participants. We have created a highly efficient consensus algorithm and removed block size limitations in order to confirm transactions into a block extremely quickly, with a maximum confirmation time of 12 seconds. Once included in a block, a transaction is confirmed. There is no need to wait for additional blocks to be added subsequent to the initial block, as is the case with Bitcoin, due to the impossibility of a malicious fork. Resources. Temtum's consensus algorithm, constructed around leader nodes and our innovative node participation document, removes the need for mining and wasteful, inefficient and restrictive consensus mechanisms such as proof of work. Temtum uses substantially less energy and has less environmental impact compared to POW networks. We estimate that the Bitcoin network is 16,573,693 times more expensive than the Temtum network based on energy costs alone, assuming both networks are operating at the same size. The Bitcoin network is currently limited to a maximum transaction throughput of 7 transactions per second. The average fee for a Bitcoin transaction from 2017 to 2018 was $57.35, and the total cost of a Bitcoin transaction in the same time period, including miner and energy fees, was $104.701. Security. Temporal is a quantum-secure blockchain network that uses a photon source for genuine random number generation alongside next-generation hashing algorithms. These prevent the network from being vulnerable to theoretical attacks, even in the case that quantum attacks become commonplace in the near future. Conclusion. The team consists of the strongest developers and programmers of the blockchain field, who have published several research papers consisting in corporate business projects that relate to the FTSE 250. To date, the web version and mobile application of the platform are ready. The network has been fully tested. This blockchain project can completely solve the existing problems of this technology and provides quite useful products for daily use, eliminates the possibility of 51% attack on the network, increases speed, scalability, reduces energy costs. The team plans to distribute tokens by IPO on several exchanges. We believe that Temtum represents a remarkable new opportunity beyond even a step change for blockchain and the first mass adoption of a cryptocurrency. In fact, we believe that Temtum can form the basis of an entirely new and better way of structuring financial relationships that is more environmentally friendly, transparent, traceable, secure and reliable than existing cryptocurrencies. Website: https://temtum.com/